This is the most useful work light I have ever owned. It is magnetic, extremely flexible, and you get two for about $14. All right, I finally found the work light that I've been looking for a long time. This one makes life so much easier. So in the past, I'd put lights under the truck. Nothing would really stick. It's hard to get the angle right. It's hard to see what you're doing if you're kind of doing any kind of work, whether in the house or on your truck or vehicle, right? So this thing is great. I mean, I've used headlamps, I've used other stuff, but this thing is nice. This has a magnetic end. It's LED, right? And it's all USB chargeable, which is right here with my little finger. I'm trying to do this one-handed. Right there is your USB charger. And look at this. The magnet is strong. Let's just put it right. Put it right here. Boom. Look at that. Sticks right to it. And as it's this wand comes out, look at that. The wand comes out. You can angle it any which way you want. Here's your on switch. There you got the LED high mode. It's kind of bright right there. And you can put it right where you're looking. Look at that. And it's not blinding you either. So one of the things too, the lights I've had, they've actually been blinding you as you're trying to show the work, the area where you're working. So there is high mode. Look at that. Watch the magnet. Ready? Boom. And that's over paper. Here, there. And then we got lower mode. There's lower mode. And then it's got pinpoint mode. Like, watch the end here. Look at that. Now watch, you can take it off if you want to actually just use it like a regular flashlight. Let me get to some area. Here we go. Look at that. You can use it like, look at that. There's without it. Oh no, where's my spark plugs? Where's everything? Where's my blah, blah, blah. Anyway, you can get the light in here. Look at that. You can get right where you want, and if that's not good enough, you can then just, like I said, boom. Put the old magnet up, change the mode to bright. And there you go. Look at that. Here, get a better angle. Turn the light so you can see the light working. I like this style. I'm not really pushing a brand. This one is called, got it off Amazon. It's not metal. The only metal part obviously is the magnet. I think they might have metal ones too if you want more durability. So this is called Work Light, but there's no brand. So I don't know. It was like, I got two for I think $8 or $9. So get a couple, charge them up. But these are cheap enough. If you lose them or you forget them under your vehicle as you're working, you just go buy a couple more. I just like this magnet. It's beautiful in the pivot. Headlights are good sometimes, but then they fall off and you're sweating. But this works great. And of course you do need a metal. Given that most cars are made of plastic today, that is the only downside. So look at that, it's just hanging off that strut. No big deal, right? Look at that. I watched the YouTuber guy, the mobile mechanic dude I really like out of Ocala, Florida. I'm in southern Florida. 3T's mobile guy. Check him out on YouTube. He just goes around doing mobile work, really quality stuff, entertaining videos. I saw him using this thing, and he said he does leave them under the vehicle now and then, forgets them. Boom. Let's see. And then if you got, there's off. There's high mode, low, and then there's the end. And that's it. Not much more you can say about it. I just like the magnetic end feature. It's USB chargeable, and they're cheap. Cheapy peepee. Inexpensive cheap. I will see how long this one lasts being plastic. It's got a good grip, so that's a good thing. And if it does break after a few uses, then I may upgrade to a metal one. All right, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one once I come up with something else to talk about. All right, I'm out.